Thanks for checking out my TeeDomination Pack 1.0 review. My name is Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and if you're new to this channel, thanks for checking this out. I come from over 10 years of experience building various businesses online, and what I do here is I provide my tips and also my reviews where I provide my feedback and valuable insights just from all my years of experience checking out these types of offers. So what is TeeDomination? It's a quick way to get involved in something called print on demand, especially for t-shirts. You get a library of over 1,000 t-shirt designs, and it just makes it very easy to get started with. And if you're looking for this system, this pack to go into print on demand, this will help you out. Even if you're a seasoned seller, you can list your products on sites like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon Merch. And the thing that's cool about this, the POD business, is that you can list your products on sites that have a lot of traffic already. And I can tell you just from my own personal experience building a POD business, I've used Etsy quite a bunch. And the whole thing is it's volume. You post a whole bunch of products with different designs, and you will get customers if they are within some niches that are, of course, desirable, where people are seeking products in. So you can create a whole bunch of different t-shirts and use these designs from TeeDomination. So what does it come with? Urban styles, faith-based designs, streetwear, PNGs, typography collections, niche bundles, various formats, whether you want vectors like SVGs, rasters like PNGs, it has all that. Comes with a commercial license, so you could even do client work as well as your own brand. Pros and cons, has potential advantages and disadvantages. And just as you can imagine, while it can save you a bunch of time and money, the creators of this, they have provided this to other customers, which means that you'll have some competition. Main thing is to differentiate as much as you can, especially by modifying the designs, adding to them. There's so much you can do to make yours stand out. So is this your golden ticket? With its vast library, especially 1,000, that's actually quite a bit. I did a small experiment like 5 years ago where I posted 100 products on Etsy, just a whole bunch of different designs, and I got sales within days. And so it's a very simple process. You get pre-existing traffic. I can say it's a very good model if you stick to it. Again, this is your business. Pick your niche wisely, provide great customer service, and ensure great product quality, and you'll be able to build your business over time. So build your empire. With all these designs, you could focus on a niche selection, marketing, customer service, and product quality. All these can help you build up a long-term business that you invest in. Of course, if you adapt to trends and explore new niches, you can build a business for the long term. Final thoughts. If you're ready to profit big, this can be a very good starter pack with all the designs it comes with. I think it's a very great resource where you just take them, and I wouldn't say just run with them. I would say customize them, make them as much as unique as you can. Probably give yourself a time clock, a certain amount of time to spend on the design, and then launch it. I would say that launching one design a day is good for starters if you could do that. Use TeeDomination Pack 1.0 as a tool to build wealth and achieve your POD goals. And if you're seeking a simple way to generate income online, I got something for you. It's a free PDF that will show you how. It is not POD focused, by the way, but if you're interested in other ways to make income, this is the simple way. Click the link in my description and get started today. This is Charles Draven from infospike.com, and thank you for watching my TeeDomination review.